In this video, I'm going to show you how to give accountant access to QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Company up top, and then from here, you want to go to Users, hover over it, and click on Set up Users and Roles, okay? Now, whenever you do this, you'll have to basically enter your admin password if you're prompted, and then you will see Users and Roles window over here. Now, what you want to do is click on a New over here in the top right, and then from basically over here, you want to put in the username, so you can enter a user ID, and then create a password for them, which is optional but very recommended. And then here the most important part comes under available roles. So you want to select external accountant and you want to click on add, and then over here it's going to say they're going to be able to view transactions, payroll info, etc. You can just click on continue, and whenever you do this here, you have to provide their email. So it says user's email over here. You have to provide the email address, and then they'll basically send an invite or update to access the Intuit account roles. And then whenever you do that, just click on the OK button, and that's going to send an invite, okay? So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.